Good morning, students. God bless you. Welcome to 12th standard business max class. Last class we have discussed mathematical expectation from the 6th chapter. In this class we are going to see about the chapter number 5, numerical methods. Especially we are going to see about forward difference operator, backward difference operator and shifting operator. Okay. The forward difference operator is denoted by delta. This can be read as delta. Okay. Delta yn is equal to yn plus 1 minus yn. This is a general form of forward difference operator. Delta yn equal to yn plus 1 minus yn. Okay. So yn we get yn plus 1 is the first term minus the yn same term. Okay, suppose delta y2 we get y3 minus y2. Have you understood the example? Okay. Then the formula for forward difference operator, delta into f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. Here h is the equal interval of space. Okay. Delta f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. Okay. First, the f of x can be write f of x plus h, then minus the given f of x. Have you understood the formula? This is the forward difference operator formula. When f of x is given, this is the formula. Have you understood? Okay. Then, the second one, backward difference operator. It is denoted by NEPLA. It is denoted by NEPLA. This simple can be read as NEPLA. NEPLA yn equal to yn minus 1. This is a general form of backward difference operator. NEPLA yn equal to yn, the same yn, minus yn minus 1, the previous term, yn minus 1. Okay, then the formula for backward difference operator, NEPLA f of x equal to the f of x minus f of x minus h. Okay, when f of x is given, the formula for backward difference operator, NEPLA f of x equal to f of x minus f of x minus h. Here h is the equal interval of spacing. Okay, then the third one, shifting operator E. It is denoted by E. E of f of x naught equal to f of x naught plus h. The shifting operator E. E of f of x naught equal to f of x naught plus h. This is the general form of shifting operator E. Then the important note from this area, delta is equal to E minus 1. This is the relation between delta and shifting operator. Okay, so relation between delta and shifting operator. This is an important note. Delta is equal to E minus 1. Okay. Before going to the exercise, carefully read the formulas. Okay, exercise 5.1, the first question, evaluate delta log Ax. The solution, delta log Ax. Okay, we know that it's a delta. What is the formula for delta? Delta into f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. Okay, this is your formula. So delta log of Ax equal to the f of x is log Ax. F of x plus h, x replacing now x plus h. Log Ax equal to log Ax plus h minus f of x, the given f of x, log Ax. Have you understood? Okay, which is equal to, we know the formula, log A minus log B is equal to log A by B. Log of A by B. This is A, this is B. Ax plus h is A, Ax is the b. Since the formula log a minus log b is equal to log of a by b. This is the logarithmic formula. Okay, which is equal to log. We get ax plus h divided by ax. Okay, then log of this ax is common for both the terms, so ax divided by ax plus h divided by ax. Okay, which is equal to log of ax are cancelled one time, so 1 plus h divided by ax. Okay, that's all. Therefore this is the delta of log ax value. Have you understood? Use the forward difference operator formula to solve the sum. Have you understood? Okay, next second question. If y is equal to x cube minus x square plus x minus 1, calculate the value of y for x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and form the forward difference table. Okay, so two questions appear here. First calculate the value of y, then form the forward difference table. Okay, the solution, if y is equal to x cube minus x square plus x minus 1, okay, this is given. Okay, first put x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means y equal to 0 cube minus 0 square plus 0 minus 1. Okay, which is equal to 0 cube is 0 minus 0 squared is 0 plus 0 minus 1. So finally y is equal to minus 1. Okay, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. Then x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 cube minus 1 square plus 1 minus 1, which is equal to 1 cube is 1 minus 1 squared 1 plus 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore y is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, this is the value of y when x is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 cube minus 2 square plus 2 minus 1. Okay, which is equal to 2 cube value is 8 minus 2 squared is 4, 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, therefore y is equal to 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, then x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 cube minus 3 square plus 3 minus 1 equal to 3 cube is 27 minus 3 squared is 9 plus 3 minus 1 is plus 2. Okay, therefore y is equal to 27 plus 2 is 29, 29 minus 9 is 20. Okay, then y is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 cube minus 4 square plus 4 minus 1. 4 cube is 64, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 minus 4 squared is 16, 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 3. Okay, y is equal to 64 plus 3 is 67, 67 minus 16 is 51. Okay, then y is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 cube minus 5 square plus 5 minus 1, which is equal to 5 cube is 125 minus 5 squared is 25. Okay, plus 5 minus 1 is plus 4. Y is equal to 125 plus 4 is 129, 129 minus 25 is 104. Okay, that's all. So first question is over. Calculate the value of y. Okay, then the second question, the forward difference. This is your second question. The forward difference table is x values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then the y values are, corresponding y values are minus 1, 0, 5, 20, 51, 104. Have you understood? So listen carefully. It's a forward difference table. So y, del y, delta squared y. Listen carefully. This is a forward difference table. The first term is delta y. Y, then delta y, then delta squared y. Okay. Delta y. How to find the delta y? Listen carefully. 0 minus this term. Okay. Minus of minus plus. So 1. Right in between the two number. Okay. Have you understood? Okay. Then consider this number, this two number. 5 minus 0 is what? 5. Right in between the two numbers. Okay. Then 20 minus 5 is what? 15. Then 51 minus 20 is 31. Okay. 104 minus 51 is 53. Okay. Have you understood? Now we get delta y. Then find the delta squared y. The same manner. 5 minus 1 is 4. 15 minus 5 is 10. 31 minus 15 is 16. 53 minus 31 is 22. Okay. Then delta cube y. Okay. 10 minus 4 is 6. 16 minus 10 equal to 6. 22 minus 16 is equal to 6. Okay. Then delta power 4 y. 6 minus 6 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay. Then delta power 5 y. 0 minus 0, 0. Okay. This is a forward difference table. Okay. So form the table. Form the table. This is the x, this is y, delta squared y, delta cube, delta power 4, delta power 5. That's all. This is your forward difference table. Have you understood? Okay, third question. If h is equal to 1, then prove that e power minus 1 into delta into x cube equal to 3x squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay, the solution, let us consider the LHS. E power minus 1 into delta into x cube. Okay, this can be right delta into e power minus 1 into x cube. Okay, this can be right in this like. Okay, since e power minus 1 into f of x equal to f of x minus h. This is your formula. Okay, your general formula is, shifting formula is e of f of x naught equal to f of x naught plus h. Here minus 1 means f of x minus h. This is your formula. Okay, this is f of x. So x minus h, x minus h, h is 1. The whole cube. Okay, the x value is x cube, so x can be right x minus h the whole cube, so h value is x minus 1 the whole cube. Have you understood? Here given h is equal to 1. This is already given in your sum. Okay, which is equal to x minus 1 whole power 3. Okay, since the formula delta into f of x equal to forward difference operator formula, delta into f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. Okay, this is your formula already known. Okay, so delta into f of x, so f of x plus h, this is f of x plus h is 1 the whole cube minus f of x is x minus 1 the whole cube. Okay, which is equal to x minus 1 plus 1 is cancel, so remaining x cube minus x minus 1 the whole cube. Okay, which is equal to x cube minus, this is a minus b the whole cube. What is the formula? A cube minus 3a squared b. The formula for a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, this is your formula. Apply here. A cube, that is x cube, minus 3 into a is x, b, a square, so x square into b value is 1, plus 3 into a value is x, b square, b is 1, the 1 square, minus b cube, 1 the whole cube. Okay, which is equal to x cube minus x cube minus into plus minus 3 ones are 3 into x square 3x square. Okay, 1 squared is 1, so 3 into x 3x plus 3x minus 1 cube is 1. Okay, so x cube minus x cube minus into minus plus 3x square minus into plus minus 3x minus into minus plus 1. Okay, the plus x cube minus x cube are cancelled. Remaining terms are 3x square minus 3x plus 1. This is for delta into e power minus 1 into x cube. Okay, so we get the RHS value 3x square minus 3x plus 1. So hence proved. Okay, have you understood? So apply the shifting operator formula and forward difference operator formula, then we get the solution. Have you understood? Okay, fourth question, if f of x equal to x square plus 3x, then show that delta into f of x equal to 2x plus 4, following the same manner of previous question. The solution given f of x equal to x square plus 3x. Okay, so let us consider the LHS. Delta into f of x equal to 2x plus 4. Want to find 2x plus 4. Delta into f of x. Delta into f of x is given x square plus 3x. Okay, what's your formula? Delta into f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. This is your formula. Okay, apply here. Delta into f of x equal to x plus h the whole square plus 3 into x plus h, that is f of x plus h. Everywhere obtain x. If obtain x, everywhere to change x plus h. So x is here, so x plus h. Here also x, so x plus h. Okay, so minus f of x. This is f of x. X square plus 3x. Have you understood? Okay, which is equal to a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square plus 3 into x 3x plus 3 into h 3h minus, this is minus f of x. So minus x square minus into plus minus 3x. Have you understood? Which is equal to the x squared are cancelled. Okay, the 3x minus 3x also cancel. Remaining terms are 2xh plus h square plus 3h. Okay, this is your delta f of x. But you want to find delta f of x equal to 2x plus 4. Okay, so let us consider h is equal to 1. Okay, the interval value is 1, means delta f of x equal to 2x, h replacing now 1 plus 1 square plus 3 into 1. So is equal to 2x, 1 into 2x 2x plus 1 square is 1 plus 3 into 1 3. So is equal to 2x plus 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, this is delta f of x. Okay, compare your result, hence proved. Okay, now we get 2x plus 4. So hence proved. Have you understood? Okay, this is your fifth question. Evaluate delta into 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 by taking 1 as the interval of difference thing. Okay, h value is 1. Okay, First consider the f of x. 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. Okay, already know the partial fraction method. Okay, so a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 2. First find the value of a and b. Okay, so 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2, which is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1 whole divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. Okay, then making the cancellation, the denominators are cancelled. Remaining terms are 1 is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. This is equation number 1. Then put x is equal to minus 1 in 1. Minus 1, if you put x is equal to minus 1, the b value is 0, so then we get value of a. Okay, so 1 implies 1 equal to a into, now x replacing by minus 1, so minus 1 plus 2 plus b into minus 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 equal to a into minus 1 plus 2 is 1 plus b into minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Okay, so 1 equal to 1 into a, b into 0 is 0. So value of a is 1. Then put x is equal to minus 2, a goes to 0, then get the value of b. Okay, put x is equal to minus 2 in 1. The first equation implies LHS side 1, then a into minus 2 plus 2, now replacing x equal to minus 2 plus b into minus 2 plus 1. Okay, 1 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 is 0, so a into 0 plus b into minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Okay, 1 equal to 0, plus into minus minus, b into 1 b. Therefore b is equal to minus 1. Okay, so now we get the value of a and b. Substitute the partial fraction 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to a value is 1, so 1 by x plus 1, then b value is minus 1, so minus 1 divided by x plus 2. Okay, this is a given question. Now we get the linear polynomial, then making the forward difference operator. Okay, so delta into 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to delta into 1 divided by x plus 1 minus 1 divided by x plus 2. Okay, okay, which is equal to delta into 1 divided by x plus 1 minus delta into 1 divided by x plus 2. Okay, which is equal to, so what is the formula? Delta into f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. This is the forward difference operator formula. Okay, so apply here delta into f of x. F of x value is 1 by x plus 1. Okay, so now x replacing by x plus h. H value is equal to 1. This is also given. Given h is equal to 1. Okay, so f of delta into f of x equal to f of x plus h. F of x plus h. X now replacing by h. So plus 1. Here also plus 1. X plus h. This is plus 1 minus f of x. 1 divided by x plus 1. Okay. Then minus this is delta into f of x. 1 divided by x plus 1. That is x, f of x plus h. Here plus 2. F of x plus h minus f of x. F of x is 1 divided by x plus 2. Okay, have you understood? Then it is equal to 1 divided by x plus 2 minus 1 divided by x plus 1 minus 1 divided by x plus 3 minus 1 divided by x plus 2. Okay, then 1 divided by x plus 2 minus 1 divided by x plus 1, making the multiplication inside the minus 1 by x plus 3 minus into minus plus 1 by x plus 2. Okay, have you understood? Okay, 1 by x plus 2 plus 1 by x plus 2, totally 2 by x plus 2. Then remaining this 2 term, which is equal to 2 by x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 3. This is the last term. Then find the LCM of the 3 terms. So x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Okay, then 2 into, here x plus 2 only appears, so remaining 2 terms want to multiply, x plus 1 into x plus 3. Then minus 1 into, here x plus 1 only appear, remaining 2 terms also multiply, x plus 2 into x plus 3. Then minus 1 into, the same manner, x plus 3 is appear, so remaining 2 terms, x plus 1 into x plus 2, which is equal to, okay, 2 into, multiply inside, x into x, x square, x into 3, 3x, okay, then 1 into x, x, 1 into 3, 3, minus 1 into x into x, x square, x into 3, 3x, 2 into x, 2x, plus 2 into 3, 6, okay, minus 1 into x into x, x square, x into 2, 2x, 1 into x, x, 1 2s are 2, whole divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3, which is equal to, making the simplification, 2 into x square, 3x plus x, totally 4x plus 3, minus 1 into x square, 3x plus 2x, totally 5x plus 6, minus 1 into x square, 2x plus x, totally 3x plus 2, whole divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3, okay, which is equal to, multiply inside the value of 2, 2 into x square, 2x square, 2 into 4x, 8x, plus 2 3s are 6, minus 1 into x square, minus x square, minus 1 into 5x, minus 5x, minus 1 into 6, minus 6, minus 1 into minus x square, minus x square, minus 1 into 3x, minus 3x, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, whole divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3, which is equal to, let us consider 2x square, okay, listen here, 2x square, here minus x square, so the 3 times are cancelled, minus x square, minus 2x square, here plus 2x square, totally cancelled, remaining here 8x, here minus 5x, minus 3x, totally minus 8x, so plus 8x also cancelled, okay, plus 6, minus 6 also cancelled, the remaining term is minus 2 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3, okay, that's all. Therefore, delta into 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to minus 2 divided by x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, that's all. Have you understood? Here, first making the partial fraction method, then apply the forward difference operator formula, then making the simplification, we get the answer. Have you understood? Okay, dear students, today's homework book page numbers 108, 109 and 110. Examples 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.6 and 5.7. Okay, using the forward difference operator,
and shifting operator to solve the given questions. Okay, do it well. Thank you. God bless you.